This is my car, Toyota Corolla, and this is an old car, already 180,000 kilometers, and the engine light is here. The engine light is turned on. Now I bought a scanner, this kind of scanner. If you go to the repair factory, they will use a big one, but here I can buy a small one and I put in here. This small one I put it here. And how to use it? And it have a wireless. It's called Bluetooth. Can connect the mobile phone. Can connect this mobile phone. And it will check the car and will send a message which part is damaged, is wrong, you should replace. Now I found it. It's my oxygen sensor. It's the front one, not the back one. It's the front one. Now I buy a new one. A new one. It's called Toyota original one. Now I want to show you how to work. How does it work, this scanner? Okay, I put my camera and we must download the app and we have to check, scan. Let's see what happened after a few minutes. Now is something abnormal here. The air system is set abnormal. Now it's come the detail. It says the oxygen sensor, the low, how to say, the volt is low. That means the sensor already need replace. So I bought the new one. I bought this one. So I want to show you today if this scanner and the new oxygen sensor, how to replace. And I bought this one. I strongly recommend you should own this one. It's very cheap. I bought it in Shenzhen. It's under 76 RMB. That means just more than $10 US. So I want to replace the part. Okay, all the things we have done. We already replaced the old one to the new one. Now we check the scanner. Now we see the engine light still on. The engine light still on. I want to use the scanner to turn off the engine light. Okay, we check. It thinks everything is okay. Huh? Yes. So it's very useful for this car scanner. If you use it, you can find which problem in your car, and you can and you can replace the car by yourself. So this one is very helpful, very useful. I strongly recommend you should own one. I'm Jack Chen in Shenzhen, and this is made in Shenzhen. If you need this car scanner, you can contact me. I will find the factory. I buy in the retail market only 76 RMB. If you be interested, then contact me. See you. Bye bye.